Okay, today is February the 3rd, 2017, and right now at 9:15 a.m. we have a temperature in the foothills of 51 degrees. The relative humidity is 96%. The dew point is 50 degrees, and we have a barometer reading of 30.05. And that high barometric pressure is limiting the amount of rain that we're getting here in Southern California, and we can see there's a transmitter right in this area following this gale force system up to the northeast. And so things are starting to clear out in the Southern California area. In fact, let's look at the let's look what's happening here in Southern California. We see the rain moving in off the Pacific, but there's nothing out here in the Eastern California area, nothing at all. And we've been watching these chemtrails, and yesterday's Modus Today map was there was a complete blanket, especially very, very heavy spraying over this Colorado River area right here and all the way out to the east. And so my guess is that they are spraying out in this area. These weather controllers and these jets are out spraying, and we're getting just a little bit of rain in the coastal areas, and also up here in the Central Valley. We can see Bakersfield and in the right up here where the Central Valley is, where all the food is grown. We're getting some rain. We can see that. If we back out a little bit and move up the coast, we can see snow up in the High Sierra, and much more rain up here in the northern California, the northwest coastal area of California, up near Eureka and all that area up there. So they're getting some good rain up there, and we're getting actually right now, as of right now, we've had 0.31 inches. All right, so as we zoom in, we can see that the areas out here, Yucca Valley, Palm Springs, and Hemet, all these areas out here are not getting much rain. Big Bear, we can see a little bit of rain near Crestline, Big Bear, between these areas. Lake Arrowhead, looks like they may be getting some rain up there. And we have Hesperia. There's not much going on out here in the desert area right now. All right, so this rain is supposed to clear out by noontime, maybe a little after that. We'll see what happens. This was not much of a rain system because of the manipulation taking place. If we go back to the map again, we can see what's happening here. We have a Pineapple Express flow right here, ideal conditions, and then we have a transmitter that has created a channel, high pressure blockade, separating this next developing storm system right up here, just north of the Hawaiian Islands. And this is all being separated and blockaded. And so in doing that, they've redirected this jet stream flow. And that's going to be moving sort of in a southeasterly trek away from Southern California. So they're going to stop this rain by having this transmitter rechannel that moisture, and we can see that this is a really nice area of moisture, tropical moisture, moving right in, and that would have brought 2 or 3 days of rain. And so we can see what's happening there. Let's look at the this is the infrared map. You can see that moisture moving right in to California. We have that high pressure that's installed in this area, maintaining that storm in check. They're controlling that storm by using high pressure. Let's go back to that other water vapor map. We can see the area here is pretty much surrounded. The center is not well organized. There is a lot of rotation. Also up here, notice this area of clockwise spinning high pressure suddenly appearing, and we see that that dark area appearing, and that will prevent this system from getting too far up into Canada, and that'll redirect this out to the east. We'll have to see what happens here. This is a new feature. So we've got this next system right behind this one here, and then one behind that, which also has a blockade. And we can see these blockades, the effectiveness they have. There's quite a bit of separation here maintained to prevent merging of these weather systems. Now, if we look at the western U.S. water vapor map, we can get a better view of what's going on here. This is a transmitter-generated blockade, is steering all this Pineapple Express moisture away from California. Otherwise, as I say, we'd have several days of rain. So this action here, this manipulation is redirecting the jet stream flow and modifying our weather adversely. They are preventing rain when we should be getting rain. Here's the infrared map. We can see the circulation pattern and that high pressure right there that extends all the way through these two weather systems. Here's the southwest map. And we can see things are going to quickly dry out. We've got high pressure right here. This is steering that flow away. And here is the surface analysis map. And we see the gale force system right here, 991 millibar moving to the northeast. We've got high pressure installed down here. And also that's what's depicted on this map. But in fact, the flow, the pattern is that jet stream flow is moving right in, and they've got high pressure all through here, and that will re-steer everything to the south and out to the east. We have this gale force system right behind this system here with high pressure in between. This will be the next possible rainmaker. Keep an eye on that. Okay, so that is the report for now. And we will just leave it right here. And we can see that manipulation and what effect that's going to have on our weather right here. That is pushing this tropical Pineapple Express moisture out to the east. So we'll have to see what happens right here. We've got some moisture coming in right behind, and I'm not sure exactly what they're going to do here. They may park a area of high pressure right over Southern California. We'll have to see what they do. Okay, so that's it.